So you guys like me, you sometimes want to have real herbs that are fresh, from the garden or from your just fresh, and you can get them fresh from the grocery store as well. But I got a little thing going on with an herb garden. Sometimes you want some rosemary to go with an Italian dish that's fresh instead of dried crushed rosemary. That's just one example. But I'm gonna plant an herb garden, and as we go through the year of me cooking, I'll be using stuff from it. Storm's coming. Gotta get these in the ground. Sweet basil for cooking, Italian oregano, Greek oregano, Tuscan blue rosemary, lemon thyme. Actually, it's golden lemon thyme. I wanted lemon thyme, but they only have golden lemon thyme. Tuscan blue rosemary. Let's plant these. Yeah, I'd say you got about a half hour before it gets here. So here's where they're gonna go. These chives, these 3 chive plants are from last year, and they came back in this year. So let's get our herb garden planted before it's too late. The wind's picking up. 10 minutes later, they're planted. Be nice. A lot of good cooking with this stuff. Fresh herb garden. And it's starting to sprinkle, as I predicted. It's coming. I can see clearly now the rain is gone, and it's a bright, well, whatever. So the rain is gone, and it's been about a half hour of rain. No, I'm sorry, about an hour and a half of rain. So, looks good. They got a really good dousing of rain, and worked out perfectly. We did the flowers too. But this is just about herbs. This isn't a flower video, you know what I'm saying?